Good morning, class. How are you today? So please all stand up for the prayer. Yatan, lead the prayer. Before you take a seat, please arrange your chairs and make sure that there is no any trash around you. Do we have any absence today? Ms. Secretary, please list the name of the absence and give it to me later. Before we proceed to our discussion, let me introduce myself first. I am Reyna Jindo Rosario, your teachers for today. Okay, class, anyone who can recall our last topic? Very good. So, okay, class, I will show you a pictures. Identify the pictures and think of an outcome on the pictures. So, based on the pictures, what comes into your mind? Okay, very good. So, let's have an activity first. So, tinatawag natin itong label me. So, label the ingredients of a simple sandwich. Okay, tapos na ba? Oh, pass the papers. So, based on the pictures or the activity, so what's do you think our topic? Manilyn, what's our topic? Okay, very good. Before we go into our proper discussion, so I will introduce to you our objectives. So our objectives, number 1, demonstrates an understanding on how to prepare sandwiches. And number 2, independently prepare sandwiches. And number 3, identify a sandwich component. So our topic is prepare a variety of a sandwich. So there are 2 types of sandwiches, which are the hot and cold sandwiches. So when you say hot, which consists of hot fillings. For example, grilled cheese, BLT or bacon, lettuce, and tomato, club sandwich, and Reuben sandwich, panini, Philly, chicken sandwich, and Cubano sandwich. So, pag sinabi namang cold sandwich, it is a plain sandwiches that is made up of bread, preferably a day-or-old bread. So, ang example naman ito is the classic and ham sandwich, turkey sandwich, veggie delight, tuna salad sandwich, egg salad sandwich, and Italian sub. So, here are the ingredients of sandwiches, which are the bread, meat, poultry, fish, shellfish, spread, cheese, condiments, vegetable, and miscellaneous. So, tapos na natin matakil ang types of sandwich and the ingredients of sandwich. Meron tayo ditong activity. So, tinatawag natin itong my recipe. So, dito is the i-divide ko kayo into 3 groups. So, each groups will make their own unique recipe for a sandwich. It should contain the ingredients, procedure, materials needed, and a sketch of the final output. So, for making your activity, meron tayong rubrics na kailangan sundin, which are the originality, which is 25 points, creativity, 20 points, neatness, 15 points, so the total is 60 points. So, I will give you 10 minutes to do that activity. So, okay class, finish or not finish, present your activity. Okay, group 1. Okay, very good. So, group 2. Okay, excellent. Group 3. Okay, very good. So, class, any clarification, suggestions for our topic? Okay, wala? Since wala na kayong questions or suggestions sa ating topic, get 1/2 crosswise and answer the following questions. So, I will give you 5 minutes to answer that questions. Finish or not finish, pass the papers. Before we end, let's have an assignment. So, make a simple ham sandwich. So, may mga rubrics tayo dyan. So, kailangan sundin natin ang rubric. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo sa araw na to, sa ating discussions, and thank you.